going on YouTube? Dorito.
And the Luchmob here.
And today we got ourselves the Tao Motor
DB10 kids dirt bike.
Yep. It's 110 cc's automatic electric start. Yep. Really cool little pit bike. Tell us about what it's going to be to put it together, Luke.
Pretty much what you see here is how it came, people. And it's going to be not much just we've already just put up the fender like that just to get it up
Just
to where
to
you can
start the
see
bolt,
it.
yeah.
But that, and a front tire, a shock, some handlebars. Baby, you're ready to ride this beast.
Yep. So anyways, we're going to slap this together real quick, see what you guys think, and then maybe we'll send Luch out for a little ride on it.
I can't wait. I really like this little thing.
Yep.
Check it out. It's just my colors.
Yep, and his size.
And my size.
So
it's Luch size.
Yep, so let's get on with it.
Shall we? Right after this, right?
Right after you.
Zing, pow, boom, to the moon.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep. Okay, guys, we're back. And before we start doing our own independent stuff, we got to get over here so Luch can get the shotgun. That's better off taking two people because you can push the swing arm down, you can get the bolt in, and launch it right through.
It's really cool.
So, let's get on over here.
We'll get our tools and our bolt.
Yep.
Our bolt. Make sure you use the lock nut that it does come quick with. And we will. Whoa! Look at that, huh? I'll take care of this part.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa. Okay. No more. Whoa. There we go.
You lift
All
up
right.
the swing arm.
Just like that. Lift it up a little bit.
Shove your bolt through.
Shove the bolt through. Install your nut. Thank you, my illustrious friend.
Yes, you're welcome. Now I'm going to go over to the fender here. You got that, right?
I got this part. No problem.
Yep. And these are going to be 6mm screws on here with the fender. Easy peasy.
I want you to notice this handy new luchmob garage tool that my illustrious friend has purchased here. It's amazing. A new tool. Check it out. Check it out here. Check it out.
Yes.
Not just the same old tool you've been looking at for 5 years.
Yes. We got an electric ratchet. Makes things a little bit quicker and easier. And these are, like I said, these are 6mm bolts. Get 3 of these. Put them up with the fender.
Now what I'm doing over here is putting the rear brake lever on. And once you get the shock mounted up, you'll have enough room to mount this on. Make sure you do that before this. It'll make the job a lot easier. You just pull the cotter pin, the Mr. Cotter pin, and the flat washer. Pull it out. Slide in the brake lever, if you're on the other side of the pond, the lever.
Yep.
And you put the washer back on. You put the Mr. Cotter pin back in. And all you got to do is kind of bend the tabs over a little bit. You don't got to get all crazy with them. That way, when you fall, you get a nice gouge in your leg.
All right. So now that he's got that on,
There you have the brakes now.
and we got the fender on.
And you can adjust as necessary.
Yep. Now we're going to go over to the handlebars.
Mr. Handlebars now.
Would you like to use my new wrench?
If I have to.
If you want to. It's up to you.
If I hope to.
If you want to.
All right. Now,
Handlebars are pretty self-explanatory.
that's right. You got to take these little towers off.
There you go. Make it easier.
Put your handlebars in. And reinstall the little towers.
Now make sure everything's lined up, and then hand tighten in the bolts before you try using an impact or a ratchet. You don't want to.
But I got a gun.
Yeah, but you want to tighten them down first a little bit by hand, and then you use it. You don't want to strip the threads on this.
They're only aluminum, you know.
Yep.
Lightweight aluminum.
Actually, that is metal on this side.
Really?
Yes, it's cast.
Wow.
There we go. Bring this up.
All right. Now you'll want to adjust that to where you want to sit.
And you can grab the ratcheting wrench over there. There is a 10mm ratcheting wrench if you want to use that.
No, I don't. I want to use this.
Okay.
There we go.
Adjust bars as necessary.
Got you speaking good now, don't I?
Got me speaking perfect.
That's what we pride ourselves on here is illiteracy.
Yes, love it.
We've read a lot of books around here,
Yep.
which makes us highly illiterate.
Yes, we have watched shows that have told us go read a book or something.
Or something.
Yes. So anyways, once you get your handlebars tightened down.
That way you can ride it with some handlebars.
Yes, because you definitely don't want to ride it without any. Luch and I will be switching sides so he can get the front wheel on. And then after we get the front wheel on, guess what?
We can ride it.
Gotta put some gas in it, and it's ready to fire up.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
You have any gas?
I got a little bit.
My chunky buddy forgot gas.
Yeah, I did.
Again.
But anyways, this is how easy it is to put together. You just literally drop
I've been
the
watching it on
thing
camera.
putting it on, put on the front wheel. Don't forget the
That's
plate.
your job.
Okay, then get the wheel on.
I was supposed to go here.
Get the wheel on. I wanted to get the handlebars on first.
All right. Now, people, you have your axle here and your axle nut. Don't get your axle nut confused with your wing nut.
Hey, Luch.
Don't touch the brakes, fool.
Yeah, don't.
Foo's gone wild.
Don't go
Number one foo.
After you pull the tab out from the brake caliper.
Don't
pull the brake lever until after you get the disc in there. Now, when you put the bolt in, you want to make sure that the threads are going the direction that you tighten, or the direction of the roll. You tighten the threads the direction of the roll. So you want to make sure, check your bolt before you put your bolt through on the wheel, that you're getting it in the right direction. Okay?
All right.
And then you got your spacers. What about those spacers, Luch?
There's two side spacers, a big spacer and a little spacer. The big spacer goes on the right side from your side.
Yes. So
And
that would
the
be the
little
side here,
spacer goes on the caliper side.
which would be the left side of as you're facing forward on the motorcycle. You need help there? You got that, big guy?
Yeah.
Now, this bike is definitely Luch size. Maybe a little bit small for a Luch, but I think that it's going to be a nice fit. You guys seen we had the DB10, and that was a fun little bike. George actually rode that one.
And he's a big boy.
And he's 6'3".
Well, tall.
I believe he's 6'3".
Not big like you, but tall.
He's not big like House. He's big like
Hand
tree.
me that gun right there, please. Oh, hey, I'm armed. And diddlers.
So there we go.
Oh, no.
We're all right there, buddy.
Stuck it right there.
We're all right there.
Right there.
Very few tools to put this together, really. Now you want to also too, once you set this down and get it off the
Hit the brake.
once you set it down and get it off your lift, you want to make sure check your fuel lines. You want to, yep.
Do it. Oh, look at that, huh?
Yep. You want to make sure check all your fuel lines. You want to check all your bolts and everything that you didn't tighten up on assembly, and make sure everything's tight before you do your initial ride. So what we're going to do is we're going to get it down from the lift, and we're going to do that real quick. Oh, wait a minute here. Number plate, 8mm bolt. And that fits right underneath.
Ha ha!
The fender.
Ha ha!
Yep. So anyways, we're going to put that on, and we'll get right back to you guys, okay?
Ha ha!
All right, guys, we're back.
As you can see, we got this beast off the rack, and we're ready to fire it up.
Yeah, we got a little bit of gas in it, so he's going to start it real quick, and then he'll end up taking it up and down the road real quick, and then we'll give you guys our opinion, okay? So fire it up real quick, Luch.
Fire it up!
You got the key on the side there.
Turn the key on the side there. Hit your brake and go. Listen to it purr, people. 110 cc of throbbing purr.
Yep. So go ahead and shut it off. Yeah, it is automatic as soon as you start it. There is no gear. You don't
no gears. You just go, baby, go.
So, anyways, we're going to let him go out and take it for a ride real quick, and then we'll be right back to you guys and let you know what we think of it.
Let's check it out.
All right?
All right. This thing rocks. Time for round 3.
All right, guys, we're back. And Luch took it up and down the street real quick in a...
As you see,
in a luchmob fashion.
it was amazing.
What do you think of it?
I love this little thing. I want
You
one.
want
Tao, hit me up.
Maybe we will see about getting Luch either a DB10 or a DB20 so he can take it up there and cruise around up in the mountains. So, did you like it, Luch?
Yeah, it's fun.
It got up quick enough, wouldn't you say?
It's got no little huevos, see?
It's got some guts to it. So, anyways, this is a Tao Motor DB10 kids dirt bike. I hope you guys liked it. We really like these little things. They're fun. They're like the scooters. You get to be a kid again, but ultimately they are for the kids. This thing is a really cool bike for your
Be
kids.
careful what you tell these people.
Yes.
It's not just for the kids.
Well, it's not, but you can tell your wife that.
He
Anyways,
does.
this is a good kid's bike. It's a really good entry level. It's electric start. You give it gas and go. It's got the front brake right here where it should be.
The rear
and it's
brake
got the
right
rear
here
brake
where it should be.
They don't have to focus on trying to use a clutch or anything right now. They just got to focus on balancing the bike and learning how to go and stop. And then, like I said, it's a perfect.
It's easy to balance with the kickstand on.
It's a real nice bike for an entry-level bike for a kid.
I give it 1 thumbs up.
Yep.
Oh, look at my other thumb is holding the gas.
Well, here, let me just break it for him.
2 thumbs up, people. Check it out. We just
We
got
really
better.
like this. And this is definitely on the scale of 1 to 10. I'm going to give it a 10, just like the DB20.
It's fun.
You guys saw that. They're fun.
It's fun.
They're a blaster
It's fun,
ride.
fun.
And they're not really, the price point is killer on these.
Great for your kiddies.
Yep.
And your luchis.
Yep. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out Tao Motors products on taomotor.com. And also check out their dealer locator for a dealer near you as well. And you might be able to find one of these where it's actually at a local dealer, or you can get it shipped to you. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching Dorito and Luch Cabre. Don't forget to come back to the Luchmob Garage.
We'll have more exciting stuff for you.
Yep. Talk to you guys later.
Rock on.
Peace.
We get a lot of poop for this.